Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. The Honorable Sir Aswarjaya and my love friend. My name is Nadia Mutiara Zahra, and today I would like to deliver my presentation about Indonesia in world eyes. In this presentation, I will talk about how the world sees Indonesia from our natural beauty, culture, economy to education and global reputations. So the first slide is introduction. Indonesia is a large and diverse country located in Southeast Asia. It has more than 17,000 islands over 270 million people. The world sees Indonesia as a nation full of culture, nature, and opportunities. So Indonesia is one of the biggest archipelago country in the world. It's not only big in size, but also very diverse. We have hundreds of ethnic groups, language, and traditions. This diversity makes Indonesia unique and interesting to people around the world. Many foreigners see Indonesia as a land full of beauty, creativity, and potential. Okay, the next slide we talk about natural beauty. Indonesia is famous for the first one, Bali, the island of paradise, and the second, Raja Ampat, one of the world's best diving spot, and third, Mount Bromo and Borobudur Temple. When people talk about Indonesia, the first thing that they usually come from their mind is its natural beauty. Bali, for example, is known as the island of paradise and attract many international tourism. And then Raja Ampat in Papua is one of the best diving spots in the world. People come from many countries just to see its underwater beauty. And then Mount Bromo and Borobudur Temple also show how beautiful and rich Indonesia nature and heritage are. The famous spot make Indonesia one of the world's top travel destinations. Okay, the next slide we go to culture and diversity. Indonesia has more than 700 local language and different traditions and religions living in harmony. The world admires Indonesia for its unity in diversity, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Beside nature, Indonesia is also rich in culture. We have more than 700 local language. That's amazing, right? Each region has its own tradition, food, dance, and beliefs, but we still live peacefully together. This harmony is what makes the world respect us. Our nation motto Bhinneka Tunggal Ika means unity in diversity, and this truly represents the soul of Indonesia. So next, economy and development. The world recognizes Indonesia as first one of the largest economies in Southeast Asia. The second one, a member of major economies groups such as the G20. And third one, a rapidly developing in industry, digital economy, and tourism. Economically, Indonesia is growing fast. We are one of the largest economies in Southeast Asia and part of the G20, which means we are among the world's top 20 economies. Many countries see Indonesia as a strong and developing nation, especially in the digital economy, tourism, and industry. This progress gives a positive image of Indonesia in the world's eyes. Next, we talk about education, a bridge to the world. Education helps Indonesia connect globally. First one, many Indonesian students study abroad. The second, collaboration with Indonesia universities. And third, improving English and global skill make Indonesia more respect in the world. Education plays a very important role in connect Indonesia to the world. Many Indonesian students study abroad and bring back new knowledge and experience. We also have collaborations between Indonesian and international universities by improving our education quality and mastering global language like English. Indonesia become more respect in the international community. And next we move to challenge. Despite the positive image, Indonesia still face first one corruption and poverty, second one environmental issue like deforestation, pollution, third one unequal education access. Of course, Indonesia still face some problems like corruption and poverty are still challenges that we need to solve. Environmental problems such as deforestation and pollution also opaque our image. In addition, not everyone has equal access to good education. However, Indonesia continues to move to improve and more hard to overcome this challenge. So after challenge, we move to the future image. The world expects Indonesia to be first one, a leader in Asia, second, a sustainable and innovative nation, and third, a role model in culture and tolerance. The world believes Indonesia has a bright future. We have the potential to be a leader in Asia, especially in innovation, sustainability, and cultural development. If we continue to embrace tolerance, protect the environment, and strengthen education, Indonesia will be an example for other countries. So after that material we discussed, we go to the conclusion. So the conclusion is Indonesia in world eyes is known as a beautiful, culturally rich and potential country. The world admires its natural beauty, diversity and progress in economy and education. Although it still faces some challenge, Indonesia keeps moving forward toward a better and more respect future in the global stage. Okay, thank you very much for listening to my presentation. I hope this presentation helps us see how special Indonesia is not only for us but also in the eyes of the world. Remember, our unity and diversity are what make Indonesia shine globally. I think that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.